Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows two cases of endometrial hyperplasia. You are going to see the first case, and you can see the uterus having an increased endometrial thickness. Endometrial hyperplasia is a histological diagnosis often made after sampling endometrium that appears thickened on pelvic ultrasound. It is defined as in irregular proliferation of endometrial glands with an increased ratio of gland to stroma. Now, this is a video of female patient aged about 45 years, having 5 children. As far as the normal endometrial thickness is concerned, during periods it is 2 to 4 millimeter. In early proliferative phase, it is 5 to 7 millimeter, and in the late proliferative phase, it is up to 11 millimeter. Secretory phase, it is up to 16 millimeter. You can see the endometrial thickness is about 19.5 millimeter. So this increased thickness of endometrium shows that it may be a case of endometrial hyperplasia. Now, endometrial hyperplasia is a condition of the female reproductive system. The lining of the uterus endometrium becomes unusually thick because of having too many cells, hyperplasia. It's not cancer, but in certain women, it raises the risk of developing endometrial cancer, a type of uterine cancer. Now, the thickness of the endometrial lining is rarely over 4 millimeter in women of postmenopause. In premenopausal women, the thickness varies with the phase of menstrual cycle, but the maximum thickness will be less than about 16 millimeter even in the secretory phase. Again, you are going to see in this angle, it is 19.8 millimeter. Women with endometrial thickness between 7 to 8 mm had a decreased pregnancy rate, but no significant difference was shown when compared to patients with endometrial thickness in about 8 to 14 millimeter range. Implantation is necessary for successful pregnancy and requires healthy endometrial receptivity. The endometrial hyperplasia, now you are going to see the second video, and this is a patient aged about 30 years, having 2 children, and this is the scanning of the patient in the late proliferative phase. So it must be less than 11 millimeter. The endometrial thickness must be 11 millimeter in the late proliferative phase. Now you can see in this case the endometrial thickness measures about 12.7 millimeter, which is slightly higher than the normal value. So it may also be a case of endometrial hyperplasia. The endometrial hyperplasia is a cystic lace-like appearance on ultrasound. Endometrial polyps manifest focal areas of endometrial thickening, and the stalk of the polyps may be seen if sufficient fluid is present in the endometrial cavity. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.